Hi guys, today I'm showing you guys a 3 ingredients lemon pepper salmon. Okay, so easy. Let's go. Okay, I am making 2 different flavors of salmon, so I'm not using all of the salmon for the lemon pepper. Okay, I'm going to cut it in half. So what I just did is add some oil, then I'm separating it into 2 pieces. I'm saving the other part for a different flavor that I'll be doing, but for this one I am going to add pepper, salt, and I'll be adding my lemon pepper. Okay, that's all you need: the oil, salt, lemon pepper. In the pepper is actually optional, but I just like the strong flavor of the pepper. Once you're done adding your seasoning, make sure you do it for the other side, then press it down, pat it down with your hand. Then we're going to bake it on 400 degrees for 15 to 17 minutes. Once it is done, this is what you have: a beautiful lemon pepper salmon. So easy. This is the perfect dinner idea. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. It was short, but yet this one is delicious. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon on my next one. Do not forget to leave me some suggestion down below as well, guys. I will be uploading every day, so leave suggestion of what recipe you want to see. Bye.